Hello guys, here see. Today we are gonna a nearby picnic spot. All of you must have known the name Bashilia. So we're just starting our journey right now. Guys, here see, my kids are faster than me. Guys, you see, a lot of people have gathered here by word to answer themselves. Particularly, there are see a lot of amusement and excitement is going on there, sharing their stress in the water. Children have become so crazy seeing this evening sport. Some people are taking snacks. There see a boatman is selling snacks on his boat. The whole sport has turned into a floating market. I'm not sure about what the boy is trying to do. Some ladies have climbed up the tree to have the unique photo of themselves. All over there are a lot of colorful boards and people with colorful dresses. Really looks fantastic, just amazing. There you see a boy is playing with crystal clear water. There you see a lot of boards all around us, and to that side a lot of amusement is going on some boards. There is a beautiful pond over there, and right now we are going there. The pond seems to really so beautiful, and we are very close to that. There you see the pond is really beautiful and the quality of the water is also fine. There you see this place is very spacious. I can see a lot of people far from here. Guys, we're just going back to our starting point. We've already reached our starting point and now time to get down. As you can see, I'm just gonna down a stair and I have to stop my video right now. So thank you guys to watch this video. Bye bye.